Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, we will begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's first of all open the settings, and here we have to go to the display. Now let's tap on, no, you do not have to tap on advanced, because as you can see the night light is on the second position, so let's enter. And before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on, so just tap on turn on now. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. Here, by using this switcher, you can change the intensity of that feature. So by going to the left, you can make it much cooler, and it's almost not visible. And by going to the right, much warmer, it's almost orangish. You can change the schedule also, so by picking the option none, you will simply have to manually turn it on or off. You can turn it on custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So by picking from sunset to sunrise, your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, and by picking the custom time, you will be obviously able to pick the start time. So from this clock, just pick, I don't know, 12 o'clock, and the end time, it can be 6 a.m, whatever. As you can see, the screen turned yellowish again automatically. It is of course because we are between the start and end time. But let me turn the schedule off, and basically this is it. This is the whole customization of this feature, and now let me show you much faster access to it. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully, and as you can see, the night light option will immediately and automatically appear right here. If for some reason it do not works for you, just tap on this pencil icon and you will be able to find the night light somewhere here. You will be able to tap on it, hold it, and drag it to this first panel to have much faster access to it, of course. So currently the night light is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and since this icon is not highlighted, then the screen will get back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it on the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode or the night mode in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.